All right, good morning, everybody. Let's see what we have for this Monday. The first thing I'm seeing here right out of the gate is a long natural gas. Right here, long natural gas, target 85.45, 85.45. Reversal 83.95 if we don't hit target first. I mean, that came right as we were starting to open up here. So, welcome, everybody. YouTube and Facebook, thank you for joining us this morning. If you have any questions along the way, just use the chat window, and I'll be glad to answer those questions as soon as I possibly can. I am watching a total of 16 different markets here, and sometimes it gets a little crazy as they all start hitting at the same time. But we'll see what we can do this morning. Right now, it is long and natural gas right on the opening, getting actually really close to target here at 85.45. Once again, this is only for demonstrational purposes only. We do not suggest you try to make these trades. Keep in mind that when we're rebroadcasting on YouTube and Facebook, there is a delay. I think it's like a 20-second delay. And of course, in our live chat room, of course, you are getting a live feed. So let's take a look and let's see at some of the symbols so you understand what I'm going to be looking at this morning. Once again, top right-hand corner. Going to be looking at the S&P 500, which is the ES. RTY is going to be your mini Russell. YM is your mini Dow, and NQ is going to be your mini Nasdaq. We're going to be watching GC for gold, SI for silver, CL for crude, and NG for natural gas, and BTC for those that like to trade Bitcoin. On the currencies, we're going to be looking at Aussie US, Euro US, and US yen. Strategies we'll be using on the currencies is something we teach in the core class. They're called behavioral patterns. We're going to be looking for one of the 5 that's set up, and then on the indices and on the indices and commodities, we'll be using Einstein. Einstein will give us an entry, a profit target, and or reversal if we don't have profit target. So right now, the only thing we have coming in right now is long natural gas, and looking to try to hit target here at 85.45. Right now, we're set up to have a lower opening on the Dow this morning. We don't have any initial positions on right now on any of the indices. Also getting triggered a short crude right now, getting short a crude oil. That crude short is coming in at 118.65. That target on that crude is going to bring us down to 118.25. Profit target hit. And if we hit 118.25, we'll exit the trade. Now, for some reason, we don't hit target, and we need to reverse. We're going to reverse 119.45. Okay, short crude, long natural gas. I like the action that I'm seeing in the currencies. Don't have any setups quite yet. right, still short crude, long natural gas. Not seeing anything in the indices. Don't have anything yet in the currencies. All right, still pretty quiet this morning. I'm still long natural gas, short crude. Right now, it looks like we're set up for a lower opening on the Dow. All right, still pretty quiet right now. I don't have any new setups yet. Possible buy coming up on YM. Possible buy coming up on ES. Possible buy coming up on NQ. Not quite there yet. Still long natural gas. Still short the crude. Once again, when you're trading these, when you're trading Einstein, I always suggest sticking with no more than one indice. And if you want to trade a commodity or one stock, you can do that. But I always like to trade no more than one indice because many times they all hit at the same time, and it's very difficult to trade like that when you're trying to put two positions on at the same time. My favorite is always going to be RTY, ES, YM, and then NQ in that order. And then on the commodity side, I like gold and I like natural gas. Those are usually my two favorites. Crude is still good. Everything's good. Silver's good. Silver's a slow mover. Crude can get a little choppy. You have to watch crude. Okay, we're getting a buy now on the gold, and we are also getting a buy on the silver. Okay, that gold buy is coming in at, let's see here, 1855. It's slightly below. It's at 1854. Target on that's going to be 1858. So 1858. And reversal is going to be 1849. If we don't hit target first, and then on silver, silver got triggered by 2178. Target on that's going to be 2191. That is going to be the profit target, 2191. And if we need to reverse, we're going to reverse on the silver at, let's see, 2153. That would be the short and reverse. We'd reverse our long and go short. Okay, still holding long silver. Crude still short. Gas is still long. Still on gold. Still on silver. Silver's getting closer to hitting target. Watching ES, YM, and NQ. Possible buys coming up. Okay, still long gold, still long silver. Silver getting a little bit closer to target than gold. Still short crude, long natural gas. Okay, just went long ES, YM went long, and NQ all went long at the same time. We'll start with ES first.
Reverse buy.
Crude oil's reversing and going long. ES target is going to be 41.47.25. 41.47.25 is going to be target on ES. That is going to be our profit target. And if we need to reverse, it's going to be bring us down to 41.28.5.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on crude oil I'm sorry, target hit on natural gas. Crude is reversed and gone long. Too fast for me to give you that target. It has already hit target on the reversal on crude. Still long silver, still long gold, long ES, long YM and NQ. Give you a target on YM. YM, which is going to be your mini down. It's going to bring you a target of 330.63. And if we need the reverse, we don't hit target, it's going to be 329.13, 329.13 opening bell. Dow's opening up down 200. Long ES, long YM, long NQ. Give you a target on NQ. NQ target's going to be 127.20. See, this is what I'm talking about. It gets kind of crazy when they're all hitting at the same time. 127.20. Reversal on NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ, is going to reverse at 126.07.5. Careful on YM. YM may reverse. NQ still long. ES still long. Gold still long. Silver still long. Silver closer to target.
Profit target hit. Reverse sell.
Okay, and YM reverse short. Went short. Silver just hit target. Still long gold, still long ES, reverse short on YM, still long NQ. Target on YM is going to bring you down to 328.63.
Profit target hit.
Okay, YM already hit target out of YM.
Reverse sell.
ES is reversing and going short. Be careful on these indices this morning. I do like ES though. Like ES, it's going to be an HF1 short.
Profit target hit.
Okay, target hit on gold, exiting gold.
Reverse sell.
ES just hit target, exiting ES. NQ just reversed and went short. Be careful here. This is a HF1. I do like this short. Okay, so NQ, which is which is your mini NASDAQ, is short. Target on that is going to bring you down to 125.70. 125.70 is going to be your target on NQ. Reversals coming in at 126.82 and a half. All right, short NQ approaching target of 125.70. Already out of gold, already out of silver, out of crude, out of natural gas. Not seeing anything in the indices. Well, let me take a look. I take that back here. Let's see what we have on the indices. We are getting a buy on the Aussie. Also getting a buy on the Euro. That Aussie US came in at 71.63. Wait on premium. Buy on the Euro is going to be 0707. Premium looks good. Waiting for Aussie to get a little bit better down, come down a little bit, pull back down to that 71.63. That would be the entry on the Aussie. Aussie US. Okay, NQ getting closer to target. 125.70 is its target. We're sitting at 120. We're sitting at 75.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on NQ. Exiting NQ. Still long Euro US. Still long the Euro at the 107.07. Exit that here in about 2 minutes. Dow's working lower, down 424, 424, 427. It can, yes, it can. They're having a lot of really success using it with core with a scalping strategy. Glenn, are you CB? Are you a CB trader? CB meaning crystal ball. Got it. Okay, cool. You doing good with PAP? Oh yeah. Yeah, you won't be disappointed. Most people that go CB end up usually going full time after they learn CB and Einstein. Got a lot of really good traders in the room now, so. All right, waiting for a setup here. Still not seeing anything. Not seeing anything in the currencies right now. I'm not seeing anything in the indices. Still coming down. Let's take a look at the Dow. Down 442. I don't have anything on at this point. Good, Glenn. That's fantastic. I'm glad to hear that, buddy. Keep up the good work. Wow, you started when it takes me back to the very beginning. Hmm. Sure beats trading with indicators, huh, Glenn? Okay, not seeing anything on the indices. Not seeing anything on the currencies. Yeah, exactly. Those that have watching us, one of the things we do not use indicators. Everything that I have is my own unique approach to trading. It's all based off of something I discovered over 30 years ago. They're called behavioral patterns. And the thing I like about behavioral patterns, unlike indicators, is they are universal, meaning that I can take one pattern and apply it to anything I'm trading, whether it be a currency, a commodity, an index, a stock, Bitcoin, any freely traded market, the patterns will work. All right, just patiently waiting for something. You don't want to force a trade. Once again, if you don't have the setup, you don't make a trade, right? A big part of trading is knowing when not to trade. I always say less is more, less is better. You do much better taking a fewer trades than taking many trades. Look for those good quality setups. You don't need many to have a good day. Okay, actually getting a short now on the crude. Let me give you a target on the crude now. That short is coming in at 118.65. A little bit larger target here. Going to bring it down to 118.15. Excuse me, 118.15. And if we need to reverse, it's going to be 119.65. Okay, that's it. Just short of crude. Nothing going on natural gas. Nothing on the indices. Nothing on gold, silver. Still going up on gold and silver. Okay, we're getting close to a buy on YM. Watch for entry on YM. Watch for entry on ES. ES getting close to a buy. Still short crude. Watching for a buy coming up on YM, which is going to be your mini down. Watching ES, the S&P 500. Okay, YM just went long. Looking for a buy coming up on ES. Target on YM is going to bring you up to 329.13. YM still long, target 329.13. Just watching this ES, see if we're going to hit entry. All right, reversal on that YM is going to bring you down to 327.63, 327.63. Nothing on ES, just long YM. Glenn, you are certainly welcome. Have you gone into it full time yet, or are you still waiting to go full time? Missed a nice short on natural gas. Wasn't watching it. Beautiful short on natural gas. But we are short crude. Still looking for a buy on ES. YM still long. Oh, I'm really disappointed I missed that natural gas. Darn it. I was too busy watching this ES. All right, well, we are at the top of the hour. Once again, anybody on Facebook and YouTube, if you have any questions, just go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. That's the best way to get a hold of me, and I do answer all my emails. If you'd like to learn more about my strategies, just go to my YouTube channel, binaryprostrategies.com. Also, please subscribe and make sure you give me the thumbs up. And also hit that notification bell so I can keep you updated on any new videos. I do have one coming out today I'm going to be releasing. And got some interesting things I'm going to be going over. So make sure you watch that video. Besides that, everybody have a great trading day. Once again, any questions, let me know. Always glad to answer those questions. Anything that you have, I'll be glad to answer it for you. And until tomorrow morning, everybody have a great trading day. We'll see you then.